everyone. My name is Yuri Polakov. I'm founder of eCommerceLogistics. And eCommerceLogistics is order fulfillment company that's capable to deliver packages nationwide within 1-2 days. We solve multiple problems. One of the problems is competitiveness of internet retailers. Another problem is we make outsourcing of order fulfillment is cost efficient for larger group of shippers. And we also solve the problem of accessibility of US retail market for global manufacturers, especially Chinese. And more in detail of each problem. For most retailers to be competitive means to offer lowest price or to offer fastest delivery. And we solve both of problems. Our clients will be able to undercut their customers on the price, and they will also be able to deliver packages nationwide within 1 day at no extra cost to themselves, which will allow them either improve service level or improve their profit margin by differentiation different service levels they offer. Another problem, cost-efficient fulfillment. We will have the lowest overall cost fulfillment in the industry. And as an example, I always hear the big question of Amazon. And Amazon is in fact not that competitive at all. Our cost will be 20 to 55% lower than their costs. And we will be able to deliver packages nationwide within 1 day, while Amazon only can do on a nationwide basis deliver within 2 days and only to the prime customers, and they do have to subsidize the cost of delivery to many of their customers in order to do that. And so by reducing price of order fulfillment, we'll make order fulfillment cost effective for many mid to high volume shippers. Those who previously were doing that in-house. Another problem we're solving that nobody was really addressing is accessibility of US internet retail market for global manufacturers, and we focus specifically on Chinese initially. We do that by offering end-to-end e-commerce solution for them, but on top of that solution, it also includes supply chain management to the extent that we have our own facility in China, and they need only ship products to our facility there. And from there, we do the rest. We do importing, we do efficient shipping, return handling, customer support, and we do that in a way that helps them to run their operations smoothly. We enforce best practices on them because obviously they don't know what they're doing, and we make it so easy for them that it will be possible for factory personnel with very limited training just run whole operation from there, from the dashboard, and even partially in Mandarin language. What is our secret sauce? It's a deep integration with existing USPS network. We use our proprietary warehouse processes and material handling solutions that are focused on high productivity and low capex. And I'm not going to go here in more detail how we do that. We also utilize proprietary supply chain solution that indeed reduces costs very substantially. And there are many moving parts in the whole system. And in order to fit them together to work, the whole system had to be designed from scratch with a single focus on optimization of getting product from the factory floor to end consumer. I'll just explain one key ingredient, which is how fast delivery is possible within 1 day at very little cost. We're going to build a network of warehouses around the nation, collocated at the exact same spots with United States Postal Service sorting facilities. And the product, when the order comes, and each facility stocks an identical set of products. So when you buy toothbrush, let's say in San Diego, or on this example, say company in San Diego ships order to customers somewhere in Midwest. So normally package will travel, go to postal office in San Diego, from there go to Los Angeles, from Los Angeles going to Kansas City, then going to St. Louis, and then to the post office where customer is located. So in our case, what's going to happen, that toothbrush is going to be shipped directly from here and will travel very short route in one day. And we will have to pay only for that final segment of the trip, thus reducing shipping costs very significantly and improving delivery times. And so how it works, at each specific location, let's say in this example Los Angeles, we have our fulfillment facility that stocks, say, tens of thousands of products, and when the orders come in, product being pulled, packed, and stacked on pallets, and pallets being delivered directly to United States Postal Service sorting facility here in Los Angeles, which is called Network Distribution Center. Nobody of you heard of those. And it will arrive in pallets, and it will skip the sorting conveyor there, and will be cross-docked directly going to the postal offices for final delivery. So that's why post office is able to offer us so little price, just because we do most of work for them, in fact. Competition. Well, we compete against whole industries. We compete against order fulfillment companies. We compete against internet retailers. We compete even against brick and mortar retailers, because we make e-commerce as a whole more competitive against brick and mortar, and we compete against shipping industry. And of course, there are a lot of order fulfillment companies, dozens of them, but nobody of them does nothing even remotely similar to what we do. They just like single or two location companies, and they just they ship normal way, and they just add their cost on top of it.
1 minute.
Okay. Our milestones. We are at the prototype stage, founded in 2009, over 200,000 invested. Proprietary warehouse management system has been developed. We have proprietary material handling solutions. We have been certified by USPS. They like what we do. We did test shipments. We have multiple USPS sorting facilities, and we got good results. And exit. From the get-going, the system was built to be compatible with the business of big sales channels such as Alibaba, eBay, or Rakuten. And we will be perfect fit. We're going to be their logistics extension for their business, and we want to be acquired by one of them. And right now we're looking for 400,000 in seed capital. The capital will be used to open single fully functional facility, further development of our software, development of our production website, and customer acquisition in the United States and China. And this will conclude my presentation. And please, questions.